Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. It's the 8th of February 2015. In this short video, I want to talk about, again, combining fundamental ideas with technical ideas and the market. And really what you try to do, or at least what I try to do, is I try to find first where we are in the market. I know I talk about this repeatedly. And where we are right now is very interesting. We're in a very choppy period. You can see we're in this box, basically. We haven't been able to take out the highs, nor, optimistically, if you want to say, we haven't been able to, fall through this floor here, which, again, is positive. However, it's an unknown. And at times like this, you basically have a couple choices. One is you can trade like always, which I think you'll get whipped around, which really there's no way to avoid whips. Another idea, which I actually do, is I'm trading lightly. I'm not trading full positions. And I have other actually students that I teach. They're saying, you know what, I'm not in this market whatsoever until either I take out the highs here or I take out the lows here. And that's their prerogative. But you never know because we're dealing in complete uncertainty. And right now the market is uncertain. Even the trades are uncertain. But my first issue is, okay, is the market healthy? Kind of. But we have a tremendous amount of distribution days. We have 6 on the S&P 500 and 5 on the NASDAQ recently, which is a very big negative, which is showing institutional selling. However, after 25 days, they run off. So then that kind of takes me to my next thought where I'm at, is I want to try to buy the strongest stocks in the strongest sectors. The strongest stocks, really, if I want to jump, let me show you this one. It's called Liggett. And first of all of this is strictly educational, and I'm not recommending any of these stocks, no personal recommendations. And again, as you'll see in this example, this is very tough. It's very easy to lose money. This was a scenario on a breakout, which you can see, and then it just fell out of bed. So this company, Liggett, or Lanet, whatever it is, it's a medical company, and it showed up in my daily routine. Actually, I have a routine where I want to identify the strongest stocks. Let me find it one second. In the strongest sectors, and I pretty much look at the profitability of them. Actually, it's not on this computer, but you can go and you can look on Investors Business Daily, and you'll notice that this Lannett has triple-digit current earnings, annual earnings. It's making a ton of money. So you want companies that are making a lot of money. The same example with Acorn, which actually is starting to break out, maybe. I'm in that one. And then Illumina is also making a lot of money, and it didn't seem to help it. And we'll see where we're at. I mean, this could end up being another little small loss. I had a small loss here, but that's what it is. There's no way to avoid the losses. Or let's see what else I had here. I have a Vigo too. But my main point was, this company has triple-digit earnings. What I do is I always look at the weekly first because it gives me a better scenario of what's happening. And you can see the perfect breakout here. And guess what? Perfect didn't work. And it fell out of bed. And that's why we trade with stops. So what I'm trying to see is if it can break out again on high volume. And look at this massive move this thing had from 2013. It went from about 5 up to 50. It's about a 10-fold move. Stocks can do this. But also they can do this and this. That's why you need an exact trading plan. And this is what I do with my website, Trend Following Mentor. I trade for a living. This is not some esoteric thing where I just write books, how you can make millions in up markets and down markets. This is the real deal. And I'll tell you how hard it really is. And it's art. There's students that I teach that actually they've done a little bit better than me recently, which is great. This is what I try to hope for. I have some books called The Bible of Trend Follower, which I chronicleize my trading. I have The Bible of Compounding Money, where I talk about where I allocate to other investors and the things I look for. I do hourly consulting, where I basically mentor wannabe traders or traders that want to improve. And we do one-on-one through Skype. Usually it's an hour at a time. A lot of times we go over because this is my passion, trading, and my goal is really to help you become a better trader. The other thing is I have a home study course. And what I've been doing with the people that I've been doing the hourly consulting is I just send them the course. to read through, and then we talk about it, and we try to develop a trading plan and a trading routine, which also, if they want, the traders want, I follow them, and I'm in constant contact with them. So this is what I do at Trend Following Mentor. This is not a get rich quick. There's always going to be lots of losses. There's always going to be a lot of whip trades. It's not easy. But what I try to do is put you in a position for when there are some nice trends to be able to ride them, both with a system and also with a mindset. Thank you. And you can best thing is to email me instead of calling me. And I'll get right back to you. And thank you very much.